what I really came here for, it's because everything fell. Oh my gosh. So, is this parade unboxing? Okay, this is gonna be a fashion clothing haul, or not haul. I received this for free. Okay, they made me choose 2 free gifted items as always. So obviously I chose a set. This time they had a matching set option, so I got it. So this is the first piece that I got. Okay, girl, I forgot it full, but it's basically a bra, and it's a crisscross bra with 4 different straps. You can't really see it that well hanged up unless it's worn, so obviously I'm gonna insert clips of me wearing it so y'all can see it better. And it's very comfortable, it's very stretchy. I love the color, I love the material, everything about it. And what I love the most about this is that you can style it different ways. Literally, I did a video wearing this bra like 5 different other ways, because you see it has like a lot of straps, so you can wear like maybe all going straight up and down, maybe one like asymmetrical with another strap up and down, or all of them asymmetrical. Like there's a bunch of other ways you can wear this, not just a traditional way from the website. So like if you're like me, you love fashion and you don't have money to keep buying, excuse me, a bunch of cute tops or bras or anything, then you should get this bra, because you can style it differently. Like you can wear it a different way is what I'm saying, and also style it differently. Like you can wear this to work out, to be at home, like to dress up, to go out somewhere, loungewear, maybe even for auditions, because you need to wear mostly black, and all modeling editions. If you're a model, if not, then never mind. But usually they require for you to wear fitted black clothing, so this is one good top you can wear. Not this one, this is pretty loose fitting. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this one now. Okay, so obviously these are bottoms. Okay, so it's really long, but let me try it, show you the bottom. Okay, so these look like bell bottoms a little. They're very wide, and you see the material is very flowy, very soft, very comfortable, very, it fits amazing. Like it snatches your waistband, it's tight, like, and your booty, it's not, it doesn't look like flat at the back. You can kind of see your little shape while still being comfortable. And the legs, obviously they're very loose fitted, it's not tight. Okay, and I just love it. And also this one's pretty different. It's a unique piece because it has like an open slit in the side of the leg. You can't really tell because it's black, but, and it goes all the way to the bottom on both legs. So it's perfect for springtime and summertime. Like you want to dress up but don't want to wear too much, you know, heavy pants, but you still want to wear pants, but these are very flowy, and it has like a freaking long open slit, so you can let air breathe. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you can even use this at the beach, at the park, I don't know, baby showers, parties, doing errands, like for everywhere you can use this set literally. I'm gonna wear this a lot, I'm pretty sure. So it's one of my favorite sets from them now that I'm thinking, because the other ones are not really wearable. This one you can wear it like anywhere literally. And obviously they have a bunch of different colors. They have probably like khaki, green. They don't have a lot. They don't have super colorful ones. It was more like for basic color wear, you know, for everyday neutrals kind of thing. So obviously I had to get black. Yeah, these are in the size medium, okay, but sizes go up to extra small all the way up to 3XL, so it's great for everyone if it's petite, medium, plus size girls. So get it, girl. And they're on sale right now. They're like $36. Like the past, they're usually like around $50. The bra, I couldn't find it on the website. I don't know if they sold out, but or I didn't check right, but it's probably around the same price range, like $20-$30. I don't forget on, but it's pretty nice. Okay, it's worth your money. I buy from them all the time, even though I don't even though I still receive pieces from them, I still purchase. Like literally I do. It's one of my favorite clothing stores right now, you know. So okay, it's getting hot. So what else? Oh, obviously I do have a discount code. You can save money if you shop with them using my code. You don't have to, but I'll put it here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously now it's sort of me wearing it. I didn't have a lot of space in my room, but I made sure to get the best lighting I could possibly have. So I obviously shot it in natural film and natural lighting. So yeah. What else? They always have sales usually, even if you don't use my discount code, they always happen to have sales. So that's pretty cool too. What else? Girl, just buy it. You're gonna love this set because this is like a must-have type of bra that you need to use to go out, not just to be at home. So I'm like trying to take care of it the best I can because it's just, this is a special bra, okay? My favorite bra ever. It used to be another one, but now this is my favorite one. Now, like, but yeah, get it if you can. You have to buy and shop with them fast because everything sells out quick, okay? That's how good their brand is, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know why I have anxiety, but that's why my voice keeps like, I need to calm down. I don't know why I'm out of breath, my heart's pumping. Like, it's okay, girl, I'm just at home. But I don't know why I turned the camera on and like the anxiety came. What the heck? I've done this before. Freaking know what the heck is wrong with me right now. I don't know why it's so strange, like what the heck. But whenever the camera is not on, I'm very calm, like I'm talking normal. I don't know, here I'm like, I need to calm down and breathe. The anxiety needs to get the frick out of my freaking body, like literally, what the heck. I need to calm down, okay? I don't know what the frick is wrong with me. Okay, so yeah, please like get these as fast as possible, okay? Like you don't want to miss out, because I know me, like me, I'm like, crap, I should have bought it. Why wasn't I quick enough? Like, I know that feeling when you don't purchase something that you really want. So that's why I'm like encouraging y'all and like trying to be quick and upload this so y'all can buy it too, because this is me coming as a friend. Like me, I wish my friend would be like, girl, get this right now, you need it. So yeah, it's one of the pieces that you need, okay? Both, obviously, but if I would choose one, at least the bra, get this one, please, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.